Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide coupon field in cart page and checkout page when there is no published coupon in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page. Now you see have a coupon. Go to cart page. Also you see coupon field. So we are going to hide. Now go to coupon section and here you see no coupon, so no published coupon. So we are going to add custom code. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to hide coupon field on cart if no published coupon, and by using this code we are going to hide coupon field on checkout page if no published coupon. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to cart page, refresh the page, go to checkout page, refresh the page. Now you don't see any coupon section on checkout page. Also go to cart page. On cart section you don't see any coupon field here. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.